Hi there, this is a default WordPress login page. This page is pretty much secure and nobody can bypass this to log into your WordPress website. However, there is a problem, and that problem is that people can use automated software bots to create brute force attacks. What is a brute force attack? Brute force attack is a type of attack where any person can use an automated software where they enter incorrect login credentials into your login page again and again, but not a couple of times, but more than 1,000 times or even more in a couple of minutes, where the request is being made to your server and the server always responds that these are incorrect details and it keeps responding back. But the problem is that your server might be limited with resources. But if the number of attacks are increased, the server might stop responding and it could cause your website to go down. Now, in order to prevent your website from these sort of bad actors and attacks, you need to use SwiftCommerce. SwiftCommerce will help you protect your login page with the help of your own choice of CAPTCHA. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Cloudflare Turnstile into your WordPress login page. So let's get started. All I have to do is head over to my WordPress website dashboard. I'll open up SwiftCommerce dashboard, and from here, I can access spam, and inside that spam, I can click on reCAPTCHA. Inside the reCAPTCHA, I have multiple options as provider. So right now I can choose Google reCAPTCHA, Cloudflare or Edge CAPTCHA. But here I'm only sticking to Cloudflare Turnstile. Now all you need to add is site key and secret key. I've already added these two beforehand, but you can get these from the Cloudflare website for free. The next step is to click on settings, and here there are multiple options for me to choose where I want this CAPTCHA to be enabled. I can just click on WordPress login and the Cloudflare Turnstile will be added to my WordPress default login page. I'm going to show you how it is appearing. I'll head over to the login page again. I'll refresh the page, and here you will be able to see that the Cloudflare Turnstile is added. Now, if someone wants to attack your website, it will be pretty much hard for them, because if the request is not approved by Cloudflare Turnstile, SwiftCommerce will not even allow the request to be sent to the server for accepting the login credentials for even verification. So your website will be safe from bad actors. I hope this helps.